gentlemen, let me introduce our honorable guest speaker of the day, Mr. Muhammad Ali Janjua. He is an entrepreneur, co-founder and president at WORK, and apart from that, a very influential motivational speaker. Respected faculty and dear audience, please join us in welcoming a respectful guest for highlighting the serious issue.
Assalamualaikum, how are you guys doing? That is so much better. Just so you know, I slept at 9 in the morning. I slept 3 hours, got dressed, and I'm here to see you guys. Because you are important to me. And we're going to talk a little bit about what was just talked about. And also, I want to share with you a 2-minute background of who I am, so you can connect with me. But before that, I felt that the round of applause that we gave Miss Kiran was not justice to the fact that she took time out of her life to come and talk to you guys and share her knowledge. So we need to give her a bigger round of applause. That you can have nothing in life, but not give up. And if somebody else has done it, you can too. There's no difference between people who do it in life and the ones who don't. There's only one difference. Their ability to go on when it is tough, when you're faced with difficulty. When you talk about suicide, when you talk about depression, prevention of it means you don't have to cure it. If you can prevent depression, if you can prevent those thoughts, you do not have to worry about curing it. So how do you prevent that? In a society like ours, बहुत मुश्किल काम है. Why? From the time that you grow up, your parents have expectations of you, your friends have expectations of you, your family has expectations of you, your siblings have expectations of you, then you get married, your husband's got expectations, your wife's got expectations. Throughout your life, you are only doing one thing, trying to make other people happy. Is that true?
Yes.
But let me ask you this. बाइक पे जा रहे हैं, इशारे पे रुकते हैं, तो जो बेकारी आता है आपसे पैसे मांगने के लिए, उसने भी आज तक आपको कभी कुछ दिया? दुआ दी। लेकिन उसने आज तक कभी किसी भिखारी ने आज तक आपके हाथ में कोई चीज पकड़ाई है? हमेशा आपको देना पड़ता है? So answer this for me. If you yourself are not happy, how can you make somebody else happy? Absolutely. अगर हम खुद खुश नहीं हैं, तो हम क्या हैं? बेकारी हैं. Because हमारे पास किसी और को कुछ देने के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं. So what she said is a great point and ties into what I'm telling you. So what does it mean? It means to figure out what makes you happy first before you can make other people happy. And guess what's the best thing about being happy? You don't have something to worry about. Every single day when you're getting up in the morning, your concern is how to satisfy your parents, your teachers, your friends, your siblings. You have a bad grade. पूरी रात लोग दुआ मांग रहे होते हैं कि यार सुबह मेरा एग्जाम है, पढ़ाई की ना की वो और बात है, लेकिन दुआ तो फिर भी हमने मांगनी होती है. But you need to learn to accept that if things don't go your way, it is okay. So if things don't go your way, it is okay in life. It is okay to accept that you might not be good at something, rather than always trying to please other people. So that was the first thing. The second thing, which to me is the biggest poison in life, in all of our lives, regret. Regret is the biggest poison in our bodies. What I could have done, what I should have done, what if, what not, and unless and until you stop that, you cannot make yourself happy. Does everybody in this room want to be happy?
Yes.
But being happy comes down to not having regrets. It comes down to being who you are, accepting who you are. You don't have to please other people. You have to do it for yourself. The reason I worked at that company for 15 years, became an owner, the reason I opened this company and am running a successful business is only one. Because I'm happy doing what I do. If I was not happy doing what I did, I would not be where I am. I would not be successful. So you gotta ask yourself that question, that if you're sitting here by force, if you're sitting here because you want to, are you doing in your life absolutely everything that you want to? Because when you're not, is when you start having negative thoughts. When you start अंदर ही अंदर से getting into that depression phase because you're overthinking. You're thinking about जो चीज़ें आपके पास नहीं है ज़िंदगी में. You're not appreciating all the things that you have and how you can derive happiness out of it. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has granted us, and all of us that are sitting here, with everything that we can possibly imagine. And when I say everything, if I look across the room, all of you can hear, all of you can see, all of you can walk, all of you can talk. Every single one of us has been blessed. So I often ask these people this question. If you just have yourself physically capable, how can you have negative thoughts? Because if you can walk, if you can talk, if you can smell, you can see, you can breathe, you got everything in the world to do whatever you want to do, provided you're doing it for yourself, not to make other people happy. Ask somebody who can't walk what he would give for them to have your legs to be able to walk. Ask somebody who cannot sit here and study in this university what he would give to be able to study. When you go home from here, you know what's the first thing I want you to do? I want you to go home and thank your parents for everything that they do for you. They don't have to do it for you. There's parents in many countries that don't take care of grown-up kids. You're 16, you're out of the house, you're on your own. Your parents, they're paying for your university, yet you make it seem as if it's a favor on them that you're studying. Your mother or father, when you're out of the door, they're running after you with juice and a sandwich or something for you to eat because they don't want you to leave the house hungry. When you're going home, everything is made for you, done. You don't have to worry about any of that. So tell me, how are you not blessed when you look around yourself? How can we not thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for every single thing that we have in our life? The two biggest blessings of life are Iman, number one. And right after Iman is your health. And I promise you that if you are unhealthy, all the other worries in your life are gone. Because what are you thinking about? How to get back up on your feet again as soon as possible. Is that true? Yes. So when you have those two things, what do you have to worry about? I was able to create success because I did not give up. I kept my faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and no matter what came my way, kept moving forward. कोई भी इंसान बेशक आहिस्ता चल रहा है, जमीन के साथ रींग के चल रहा है, घसीट के चल रहा है, लेकिन वो चल रहा है तो वो कहीं ना कहीं पहुंच जाएगा. कभी रुकी हुई चीज कहीं पहुंची है? जो बंदा पीछे चला जाता है कहीं पहुंच सकता है? And that's your lesson. Keep moving no matter what you are facing in life. Because just like all the good times end, the bad times will as well. When you're facing a difficulty in life, that always has an end. Is there anything permanent in this life? No. So how is your difficulty permanent? How are your problems permanent? How are the challenges that you're facing permanent? They're not. It's in here. So my way and my thinking in life is that you prevent depression. How do you prevent depression? You do not let yourself fall in that state of negativity. जहाँ पर रोशनी नहीं होती वहाँ पर क्या होता है? अंधेरा. Negativity का opposite क्या है? Simple. It's plus and minus. So जो हम लोग अपनी जिंदगी के साथ करने की कोशिश करते हैं, बीच वाला रास्ता, कोई बीच वाला रास्ता नहीं है. या इधर है या इधर है. अल्लाह सुब्हानहू व तआला ने हर चीजें हमारी बॉडी में दो दिए हैं. बैलेंस अगर आप देखें, दो कान, दो नॉस्ट्रिल्स, दो आंखें, दो हाथ, दो पांव, दो लिप्स, two sets of teeth. Do you think that's a coincidence? हम क्या करना चाह रहे हैं? दो हाथ हैं, दो टांगे हैं, हर चीज दो है. Everything is balanced. The way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is balanced. But we are trying to go the middle way. We're trying to find, यार इसको भी खुश रखूं और इसको भी खुश रखूं और मेरा भी काम हो जाए. It will never happen.